Now this is the same procedure you're going to use for all your journal surfaces, rods or mains. And then you're going to write down all of your clearances. Now we've got to do our oil clearance. Now we're going to take our rod journal size. We're going to add our bearings, which was 1.5 millimeters times 2, because you have 2 bearings in there. This which will give us 3 millimeters, minus our big end rod clearance, which was 51.01 millimeters. So now doing the math, we get our oil bearing clearance of 0.037. When checking out of round, it is preferred to check in 2 places. Some people do more, preferably 180 degrees from each other. To check taper, you need to check left to right. So you take 2 measurements from your right and a measurement from your left, and the difference between the 2 will give you your taper. We're now checking our rod bearing thickness. You want to check in 3, maybe even more places to make sure that it is not tapered in any way. This particular bearing is 1.5 millimeters. We are now checking our rod end diameter, and you should check in 3 places minimum, center and your 2 sides, and you want to check from top to bottom.